Welcome back. As I said, today is an earnings-heavy day. 5 Nifty company report their numbers. They include Adani Enterprises, Apollo Hospitals, ONGC, Grasim and Eicher Motors. So let's talk about Eicher Motors to understand what the street is expecting, what the consensus expectations are. Sonia joins in with the key numbers. Sonia.
Well, thanks a lot for that. So, Eicher Motors is in a dream run of sorts with its Royal Enfield business. The business has picked up in a big way, and the new Hunter, which they launched, have given them really good volume. So this time around, the numbers are expected to be very strong. So if you look at it, it's the 4th consecutive quarter of rising Royal Enfield sales. It's a growth of 31% on the quarter that we're expecting year on year at 221,000 units. Now, as I said, the newly launched Hunter 350cc has done very well, and that along with the easing of the chip shortage issue is something that will lead to a good performance for Eicher Motors. However, exports have been on a decline. So export sales are down about 22% quarter on quarter because of a slowdown in the European region amidst rising inflation. The average selling prices will remain flat on a year-on-year basis because of this. Now, the Volvo Eicher business has also done quite well, as we've seen a pickup in CV volumes. The margins are set to improve on account of lower raw material costs. If you look at the Royal Enfield volumes itself, 4 quarters ago, they were doing on an average around 170,000 units. Now that has risen all the way up to 221,000 units. But this may come at the cost of margins because the Hunter, which is a newly launched 350cc bike, is a lower priced bike. So the blended margins may be impacted. So here are the numbers that we're looking at. A strong revenue growth of 30% is what we're factoring in at about 3,714 crores. The EBITDA will go up by 52.4%. The margins will still improve because of, same time last year, the margins were around 20%, expected to go up to almost 24%. And the profits will rise by about 60% or so. So all in all, good set of numbers. And the stock is very quiet ahead of its numbers today, but decent showing expected.
Okay.
All right, got that. Thank you very much for the details. I will watch out for Eicher's